What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn off Hey Google on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open Google. Now click on your profile icon and then click on settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on Google Assistant and then click on Hey Google and voice match. Now here you will see a Hey Google button. So to turn off Hey Google, tap on this button to turn it off. And after turning off this button, Hey Google will be turned off. So that's how you can turn off Hey Google on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.